Hello, today we're going to work on lesson 20 and we're going to first complete the chart. So let's look at the first chart. So for the first chart, we need to find the multiples of 4. So if you look at 1, we need to fill in this one through looking at number 1 in the chart. So the first one is multiples of 4. So basically we need to cross multiply, and it's 4 times 0, 4 times 1, and so on. And firstly, we need to multiply 4 and 0. So it's going to be 0 because there is going to be, it means that there are 0 4s. So if there is 0 of them, then it's going to be 0. So anything times by 0 is going to be 0. And then it's going to be 4 times 1. So it means that there are only one group of 4. So 4 times 1 is going to be 4 because there are only one group of 4. And then next one, we need to multiply 4 and 2. So to multiply 4 and 2, it's same as that there are 2 groups of 4. So there are 4 packs of each. So there are 2 of them. And if we add 4 and 4, we're going to get 8. So it's 8. And then next one is going to be 4 times 3. And that simply means there are going to be one more 4 because there are going to be 1, 2, and 3 packs of 4. So there are going to be 4 and 3 groups of 4, which means it's going to be 12, because if we add 3 4s, then it's going to be 12. So this was number 3, so we need to write 12 for number 3. And then let's look at number 6. So for number 6, it says it's 4 times 8, which means there are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and one more, 8. So there are going to be 8 packs of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 of them, 8 packs of 4. So if we add 8 of them, it's going to be 32. So for number 6, 32 is going to be the answer. And now answer rest of them. Let's move on to the next page. So for this part, we have the same one, so we need to complete the chart again. And we have a larger number, which is multiples of 6. So if we do 6 times 0, again, 0 times any number is going to be 0. So 1 is going to be 0, and let's try 6 times 5. So it means that there are 5 packs of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if there are 5 of them, and if we need to add all of the 5, then we're going to get 30. So 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, which is 30. So this was number 4. So we need to write 30 in number 4. Let's move on to the next page. So for this page, we need to find the product. So again, on number 1, it says 9 times 0. So 0 times any number, or any number times 0, is going to be 0. And next one is 4 times 4, so it means that there are 4 packs of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we add 4 of the 4s, then we're going to get 16. Let's look at number 5. So for number 5, there are 2 ways to do it. So there are 2 ways to write it. We can write this as, we can write 8 packs of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then add all of them. Or we can write 5 packs of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and add all of them. So we can just choose any number from this or this and then add it by the opposite number. So if we choose 8 as the number that we're going to write, then we need to write that 5 times. Or if we choose 5 as the number that we're going to write, then we need to write 5 8 times and then add all of them. So the answer is anyways going to be the same. So if we add all of them, it's going to be 40. And let's look at number 7. So for number 7, it says 9 times 0 equals to blank times 4. So like I said before, number times 0 is going to be 0 always, or 0 times a number is going to be 0. And so blank times 4 needs to equal 0 now. So what times 4 equals to 0? 0 times 4 equals to 0 also, so we need to write 0 in the blank. So 0 is the answer for number 7. Thank you.